Hi, I'm Ray. Well, today we're at Homebase in the range. And we're going to have a look at their bedding plants and see what plants they've got on sale. It's now May, so we're going to have a look and see what they got. Looking for lots of colour for their garden. So, come with me. So the range took over Wilko and Homebase in 24, and they built up their own garden centre in the range. So let's have a look at what we got. So first we've got Salvia. These are $3.99 or 3 for $10. And then we've got Calibrachoa, 4 packs. These are $6.99 or 2 for £12. Often called Widow's Thrill or Blooming Succulent. Pinks and whites and oranges too. 2 for $12. And then on the bottom we've got trays of Calibrachoa.
So
these are $7.99 each,
yeah.
or 2 for $14. And they're colourful trays. And there's lots of these to choose from. Different packs. They're looking really good. And more at the bottom.
No, I was going to skip it.
For the next trolley, we've got 20 back of bedding plants. We've got petunias, they're looking good, anthuriums, they're looking good, and also some dianthus, $3.99 a pack. We've got $4.99 for some stock bedding, and impatiens at the bottom for $3.99. They're looking good. Smaller tray size, we've got busy lizzies, and some marigolds at the bottom. They're looking good too. $2.99 a tray. Then we've got some lovely perennials, $9.99. These are lovely colours. Look at all these lovely colours. And the marguerite daisies. Love the white ones. They look stunning. Absolutely stunning. And then also marguerite daisies at the bottom, $9.99, 2 for $16. Inside we have a display of baskets, $19.99 or 2 for £30. And these lovely watering cans, $14.99 or 2 for $35. I use one of these to water my plants. We've got more Calibrachoas, $5.99, 3 for $12. Along with some dianthus and carnations. They always have a great display, amazing in these shops. And look at these bougainvillea purples, purple pyramid. These are $11.99, 2 for $20. They look absolutely amazing. And the roses behind, $19.99, 2 for $35. Lots of different varieties and colours of those. Absolutely stunning. We make a nice display in the store. And they've got some more bedding plants at the bottom. Some are baskets. But look at these rows on the stems. These look absolutely amazing. They look nice by the door. Another stand looking really amazing. They've got these festival bowls. These are $9.99, 2 for $18. They look great, different colours. Festival bowls. Look at all the varieties of colours. Rhododendrons. These are all coming out in bloom now. They're looking really nice. $29.99. Around the corner, oh, look at this bee buzzing. Loving those flowers. We've got some Guillaume. And these are tutti frutti. These are $9.99 or 2 for $18. And there's some other perennials, same price. And right at the back, some Salvia. Those are nice. Those will attract the bees, the butterflies and the bees. They're lovely. Fuchsia pots, $2.99 or 3 for $8. Lots of varieties. They're looking really good. Next shelf down we've got these Calibrachoas, $3.99 or 3 for $10. They're looking really nice. Lots of different colours. They're looking really lovely. So we've got some bedding plants, the silver ones, and we've got some salvias. These are $2.99 or 3 for 6 pack, and the 10 packs. Lots of varieties, petunias, lobelia. There we go, 10 pack, $2.99. Geraniums, fuchsias, petunias, all your standard bedding plants. Bare root roses, $14.99 or 3 for 12. And then we've got the pots of roses again, $19.99 or 2 for 35. These are looking really healthy, just coming out in bloom now. Lots of lovely colours. Dianthus, pink kisses, $7.99 or 2 for 14. And then we've got more fuchsias, $2.99 or 3 for 8. And then more geraniums. We do like geraniums, as the slugs don't eat ours. That's one of the good plants I can keep in my garden. So lots of geraniums in my garden. Back to the bougainvillea, $11.99, 2 for 20. And then various shrubs, $3.99 or 3 for £10. Look at these lovely lilies, $4.99 or 3 for £12. They're looking really, really lovely. Look at them, absolutely beautiful. I tried growing some lilies, and I think there's a video on my channel, so check that out. And there's also a curry pack, $8.99 or 2 for 16. They're looking magnificent. We've got some rhododendrons, $17.99 or 2 for 35. And then azaleas, $8.99 or 2 for 16. They're looking really good. So cordylines, $11.99 or 2 for 20. I'm possibly going to add a cordyline to my front door. Had 2 either side of the door. What do you think? $14.99 or $11.99, 2 for 20. Let me know in the comments, do you think I should add cordylines to the front door? One either side in a big pot. I do like that idea. What else would you think would go? We got these lilies, colour lilies, $9.99 or 2 for 18. They're looking lovely. More fuchsias. They're looking good. And then we got some hostas. $2.99 for hosta or 3 for £8. They're looking really good too. So we'll have a look at the vegetables, and these look like they've gone over a bit much. They're quite dry. They're $1.99 a tray, but they're looking a bit past it now. Not looking great. They're really dry. You can see all the compost has shrunk, not had a water for a while. And some more on this side, lettuces and some cucumbers, just looking a bit sad. I think they should take them off the shelf now. That's it, they've all done. The onions are all thrown over. So we've got some honeysuckles, they're looking good. More bedding plants. We've got some more geraniums, they're looking good. And then round the corner we've got some pink kisses. These are $2.99. I think this trolley's just stuff they've moved to go out the way. Not looking the healthiest of trolley. So won't bother too much on those. $2.99. We need a good old water. Hydrangeas, 12.99 or 2 for 22. We've got pinks and blues. They're looking pretty good. And the roadies at the bottom. We've got some alpines, 3.99 or 3 for 10. And they're looking good too. And last of all, these olive trees. These are really nice. How about putting one of these either side of my door? What do you think, an olive tree or a cordyline? Let me know in the comments, and that'd be great. So what would you buy out of all these items? Let me know in the comments. And feel free to click the video on the top for the latest videos of what's coming up next.